Hi guys, Phil here from RPI Designs. Today we're going to go through our C7 Corvette Taillight Blackout kit. Got the kit right here. Show what you get when you open up your box. Get 4 blackouts, obviously. Get a set of alcohol wipes and a set of printed instructions. Alright, as you can see, we've got one out of the bag. Got these nice clean edges on it, nice straight cuts, looks real great. The back side here we got our 3M VHB tape on here, and as you can see against this white background of this desk, it really lets a lot of light through here, so you really don't have to worry about it being too dark. It just does a great job at just taking the edge off your tail lights there, gives a nice dark appearance, but is still really safe when using them on your car on the street, so you don't need to worry about that. Alright guys, we're outside now. I'm going to show you how to install these blackouts on your Corvette. Lots of guys were asking what they would look like on a Z06 with the clear tail lights. Well, we'll show you what it looks like right now. Alright guys, first step, take your alcohol wipes that are supplied to the kit. Wipe down the tail lights really good. Make sure you get all the dirt, dust, oil, and grease and everything off of them. Alright, next step, like I said, real easy. Just peel off the backing off of your blackouts. Line them up and just press them into place. I want to press down real good, hold in place here for like 30 seconds. Make sure the tape's got a good grip on everything. This will keep them from falling out as you're driving down the road. Alright guys, as you can see, I went and installed the outside one. Like I said, installed the same as the inside, real easy. Got side by side here, you can look what it looks like with and without the blackouts. I'm going to show you what it looks like with your brake lights off and all that good stuff there, because you always want to know what that looks like. Alright guys, as you can see, 5-10 minutes you can really change the look of your Corvette, give a very aggressive look with these great looking blackouts. See you next time.